Hello everyone, my name is Afzal and this video is all about how to add cool handwritings to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're someone who's interested in learning new tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro, subscribe to my channel now for more upcoming videos later. Let's begin. To add cool handwritings to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, you're going to need three things: an Android phone, a screen recorder application that could be built in or you could download it from Google Play Store, and a sketchbook application that you can also download from Google Play Store or iOS Store. Let's begin. So once you've downloaded the applications, open up screen recorder. I have a built-in one, so I will use that. Open up sketchbook, press on new layer, go to background. I like to keep the background color black for white writing on it. Go to the layer, choose your pen. I like to use the inking pen for my writing. Okay, now rotate your phone for easy writing from portrait to horizontal mode and start writing or drawing, whatever you want to do. Wait for the screen recorder to finish recording. Wait for a couple of seconds. That's it. Now import this into the Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's hop over there and I will show you the rest. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and in case if you have a dark scene or a dark background and you want to have a bright white writing on top of it, this is how you do it. First of all, bring your screen recorded video onto the timeline, onto the main video. Cut the screen recorded video where you want it to start from and bring it to the start. So now what you do is, as you can see, this is in portrait mode. We need to convert it into landscape. So go to Effects Control Panel, under Rotation, change it to 90. Now as you can see, we will just do one thing, as it has already been rotated into landscape mode. You can adjust the size to your preference. I like it this way, so I'm just going to go and apply one more change onto it. I will go under opacity and change the blend mode from normal to screen. And as you can see now, it's writing in bright white color. But these bars are over here, so you can get rid of them by just applying a small mask and adjust the mask until you like it. And I think this should do. Yeah, exactly. And also you can adjust the speed. See, currently this seems a little slow for my taste, so I'm going to speed it up to about 250%. You can do it by left clicking onto that screen recorded video and changing the percentage of speed to 250. Now if you look, the writing is much faster. So in case if you have a bright white background and you want to have a dark writing on top of it, this is how you're going to do it. Make a copy of the screen recorded video, bring it onto the bright scene. You can adjust it. I want to bring it over here. First thing first, I want to bring it onto the desk. So this is where right about I want it to start. So you can see now it's writing on the desk now, but it's white against white background. That I need to change by going into effects and write invert. Drag and drop this effect onto the screen recorded video. Now you can see there's a box over here. You can change it by going to opacity and blend mode, and you can change it to multiply. So here, multiply. You can now see the writing has turned into black and it's writing against the white background. Very visible, very nicely done. And that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and this content helped you out, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.